Sorry. Anyways, basically, today is a little bit of a different video, and basically, as you guys might know, my birthday was 2 days ago, and yeah, I'm sorry I didn't film a video. I do have a couple videos that were made on my birthday though that I might be able to post, and some pictures too, so I'll be able to post and do some of that post stuff on my community. But yeah, I'm officially 11 years old. The day after my birthday, I fell off of something, and like kind of like high, like really high. It was like 7 feet, and then like 6 feet tall, and I fell off. My lip, like it has like a bruise right here. That's what that is, and I got a big scratch on my leg. But I'm okay. I survived. My voice is a little bit lost. I lost my voice a little bit for some reason. So that's why that's why I'm talking more quietly. But anyways, let's get down to the video. So basically, I have this right here. It might just look like a normal hair curler or straightener. But some of you guys might know what it is. Oh. This is a hair crimper. And yeah. So basically, there's a charger up here for some reason. Anyway, that's gonna bother me a lot if that's swinging right there, but no one really cares about that. Okay, so I gotta plug this in up here, and it's gonna start heating up. Okay. Basically, my hair, this is what it looks like with this on. I am going to be making a skit with this on. Like, hey, I'm gonna pull back my hair, like, hey, where I can go like this. Whatever. Anyways, this eats up really fast, so sorry. Anyways, you guys might know. Actually, you guys do not know actually, because I didn't show you guys my presents that I got. I got a watch, a smartwatch. It's really, really cool. It says what time it is. Currently 9:21 right now. But yeah. Anyways, it's just hot. It was even on. Okay, it's getting hot now. I can feel it. Okay. So, while this is heating up, I don't have my hairbrush, so I'm just gonna test it on here right now. Ow! I have to burn my head. Anyways. Did that work? Oh yeah, that definitely worked. I'm just gonna look in the mirror. Guys, imagine if I just gave myself bangs. They just cut off. Ow, that's really hot. Okay, I don't want it on too high. I'm gonna put it on medium. But this looks so good, guys. This is my hair. It's not my hair gripper. I'm actually just borrowing it from my friend. But yeah, look how good this looks, guys. So there's no school tomorrow. That's why I'm staying up a little bit late. Usually I wouldn't be making a video at this time. I do a couple times before. I mean, I've done it a couple times before. But other than that, I don't really make videos at this time. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Okay, well, anyways, I know my hair's not brushed, but I'm still gonna do it. this. Look at his hair. Ew. It's been pulled back. I mean, it has been brushed this morning, but it just gets really messy. So, yeah. Anyways, my cat is just playing over there, if you can hear. I don't think I can do this, but okay. Anyways, it's gonna be a while. It actually looks good though. Okay. Hopefully this works. You know. What if I actually use this as a hair curler, whatever you pronounce it. Like, actually, I'm gonna see if that actually works. Come on. Ow. Yeah. It kind of works. Alright, so I'm actually brushing my hair out with this tiny little hairbrush. But yeah. I'm gonna take this part right here and take back this, and I'm going to put this on here, just like this, and then this side right here, so it's not like coming out that like too good. So maybe it's like. Okay, anyways, you put this right here, and then I'm just gonna hold it for a second. It's already been 7 minutes. Oh, that's weird. Anyways, this looks good. That looks good. And now I'm just gonna go like this, and let's see if this actually works though. Okay. Oh wow, this actually makes like a cool curl. Okay, that's actually kind of cool. Maybe this part needs to be done a little bit more. But anyways, I'll be back once my hair is all like this. Alright, so my hair is all finished. And it looks pretty good. I'm not sure what the back looks like at all actually, so yeah. I'll turn around and make a spin. Okay, so here's after results right here. The big guys right here. But my hair looks like this, and I still have my birthday banner, so yes, I know. But anyways, I'm gonna take a spin. Oh, it looks horrible on the back. It's not even really done on the back because I can't see. But yeah, that's not really done. But the front, look at that. Like, it's so. I'm gonna brush it out a little bit. Okay, so I brushed it out a little bit, so it's like poofy. But I think it looks good. I'm not sure about the back though. I'm gonna take a couple spins. But yeah, that looks good. Here is my wonderful cat. Zoom right into your eye. Hi. How are you doing? Are you doing good? Yeah, you're doing good. You're so happy. Yeah, you're so happy. You're so happy. Good boy. Here's my other cat. How you doing? How you doing? Are you good? Yeah. Yeah. He loves mochi so much that he just had my new mochi and tore it apart and got it so dirty. But he literally, watch. Hold on, watch this. He'll literally go crazy for them. Okay, watch. So I have this right here. Skywalker. Sky. Oh, good boy. Skywalker, show them how you carry it in your mouth. Sky, get it. Oh, he's just like a dog. Right, of course, right when I paused the video, he was like carrying it around. Aww. But anyways, I hope you liked today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. And also, turn on the post notification bell. And comment down below if you like my hair. If you don't, it's okay. It's okay. People have different opinions. And also, comment down below if you have ever crimped your hair. So yeah, bye.